It's that one under the solar panel, and then there's a one up from it to under, just at the front of the solar panel, and that split too. So that.
And we are a go! I'm just talking to the camera, I'm just recording a video. So, the itinerary is confirmed now. I'm going to be going up to the Coromandel and other locations in the North Island this Christmas. So, yeah, there might be a few of you who are watching this channel that may be interested to know that. Here is the itinerary. On Christmas Day, on the 25th of December, I'm going from Christchurch to Richmond, and I'll be seeing my family for Christmas Day. That's Richmond and Nelson. On the 26th of December, I'll be going from Richmond to Paraparaumu, and we'll be staying at a motel there. The next day, the 27th of December, we'll be going from Paraparaumu to Taupo, and we'll be spending 3 nights in Taupo at a motel in Taupo. And so, whilst we're on the way to Taupo and staying at Taupo, we'll be doing some of the fun activities there. Probably stop at the town of Bulls and do a Bulls video. You know Bulls, right? You know, constable, delectable, curable. Bulls, right? But you know, they've got other stuff to do there in Taupo, you know, the hot pools and the geothermal parks and stuff like that. You know, didn't get a chance to do all of them last time. Then on the 30th of December, we're going from Taupo to Coromandel. We'll be staying in Long Bay Campground, which is at Long Bay, which is like a 5-minute drive from Coromandel town. We will be staying in Long Bay Campground for a whopping 6 nights. And we're pitching a tent there at Long Bay Campground at a power site. So, there is going to be some fun activities in Coromandel. Because, you know, I haven't been to Coromandel and spent, you know, a summer in Coromandel for 20 years. It's been that long, so I'm really looking forward to this. On the 3rd of January, when whilst we're at Coromandel, I'll be doing a day trip to Auckland to drop off Coco at the airport because she has to take a flight and fly back to Christchurch because she gets a shorter holiday than me. I've got more time off than she does. On the 5th of January, I'll be going from Coromandel to Rotorua and staying at a little special place called Waititi Trout Stream Holiday Park, I think it's called. This particular holiday park has a trout stream running through it. So I might possibly get the chance to do freshwater fishing, which I've never really done before. Used to catch eels when I was a teenager, but never really had a chance to do that. So, you know, and also you've got the other stuff to do in Coromandel, you know, hot pools and geothermal parks, and you know, might reach some of those places that I didn't get the chance to reach last time. Like, for example, Kerosene Creek, Waitangi Soda Springs, Tapuia, Waimangu Volcanic Valley, Polynesian Spa. These are all locations that I